Wuhan Yinhai Welding Technology Company Limited was established in 1999 and is located in Wuhan, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 4,000 square meters and has around 30 employees. We are specialized in welding materials production and sale. Our company has rich experience in the welding material production industry. Our main products include welding electrodes, welding wire, welding machine. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Our company has patented several inventions in order to strictly control the product quality. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 certificates, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and Africa, adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits. We have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.